My name is Anna Sorensen, and today I will be discussing the importance of eye contact as a means of nonverbal communication. In a research paper by Stephen Beebe, it is found in his research that results indicated that an increase in the amount of eye contact generated by a speaker significantly increased the credibility in terms of qualification and honesty factors. What that is saying is that increased eye contact means an increased reaction from the audience and a better participation from both the speaker and the audience, and being able to communicate with one another and being engaged and not just having a one-sided conversation or speech. In additional research paper by Jiang and Associates, they found that eye contact occurs frequently and voluntarily during face-to-face verbal communication. Eye contact is a very important form of nonverbal communication. Some other forms of nonverbal communication are hand gestures, facial expressions, and appearances, like dressing nicely, casually, instead of just, your everyday, your pajamas or leggings or whatnot. Eye contact. What is it, and why is it important, and why do we use it? Well, we learn it at a very young age, and it helps us connect with others verbally and non-verbally. Like with babies, for instance, they cannot speak, but we connect with them with eye contact and try to gauge where they're at and how they're feeling, and engage with them in nonverbal emotion and try to see how they're doing. And it also helps connect us with friends, family, coworkers, classmates, children, and even animals, like your dog, for instance. We do learn it at a young age. It's something we learn when we're young, and we grow and develop, and we have eye contact with people all around us, at our jobs, in grocery stores, all the time. And it helps connect us to our surroundings and engages us with people that we're closest to, and it puts us outside of ourselves, and we're able to connect with more people than just our close circle. It's very important because eye contact is very important because it shows participation and being engaged, and that you're not just in your own head and you're not being distracted and listening to your own business. It helps you connect with the audience and with the speaker. And eye contact also is important because it shows that you are respectful of the speaker and their time, and that you're able to communicate with them and listen to what they have to say while being respectful and being considerate of their time. And also, it also shows that you have credibility with eye contact, because you are showing that you've done your research and that you've cited your sources and you have academic integrity and that you know what you're doing. It also shows that you trust your speaker and the audience, vice versa, because you are putting your time in their hands and you're listening to them and you're saying, I trust what you have to say as the speaker and that you know what you're doing. And eye contact is also important because it shows that you're not distracted and that you're fully aware and you're fully listening to what the speaker has to say. Eye contact also benefits the speaker because it helps them stay focused and on topic, and it keeps them undistracted as well. And it also helps the speaker because you're able to connect with the audience and you're able to engage with them and connect with them. And it helps you to be able to not be so in your head and focused on how you think you're doing, but you're actually doing it and getting the job done. And it also helps to connect the speaker to the audience by having a two-sided interaction with them giving you eye contact and you giving them eye contact. And there's full engagement with both parties. And eye contact also gives a story. You know, you are, as a speaker, you're speaking to an audience and you're telling them your point of view and what you have to say on the topic of the subject on topic at hand. And I think that is really cool too, that you're able to see what the other person has to say. Thank you.